Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable system updates on Debian VPS safely step by step clearly. To enable system updates on your Debian VPS safely, begin by connecting to your server via SSH. Use an SSH client to access your server. Log in with your username and password. Once logged in, update your package list by entering the command sudo apt update. This command retrieves the latest information about available packages. Next, you will want to upgrade the currently installed packages. Do this by entering sudo apt upgrade. This command will show you a list of packages that can be updated. You will be prompted to confirm the upgrade. Type Y and press enter to proceed with the installation. After the upgrade is complete, it's a good idea to remove unnecessary packages. Enter the command sudo apt autoremove. This will free up space and keep your system clean. Now, to ensure your system updates automatically in the future, edit the configurations. Start by opening the configuration file with sudo nano /etc/app/apartments/confd/20 auto upgrades. In this file, add or ensure the following lines are present: apt periodic update package lists 1 semicolon apt periodic unattended upgrade 1 semicolon. Save the changes by pressing Ctrl+X, followed by Y, and then enter. The next step is to configure automatic upgrades. Open the unattended upgrades configuration file with sudo nano /etc/app/apartments/confd/50 unattended upgrades. Review the file to ensure that your desired updates are included. Focus particularly on the sections for security updates. You can enable other upgrades by uncommenting the lines you wish to activate. Save and exit the file once you've made your selections. To apply your changes, run the command sudo apt update again. Finally, verify that automatic updates are functioning correctly. Check the logs by entering cat/var/log/unattended upgrades/unattended-upgrades.log. This log file will provide details about the updates that have taken place. By following these steps, you will have successfully enabled system updates on your Debian VPS safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.